Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to talk about solving for a variable. Now, lots of different ways problems can be set up. We're just going to walk through a couple of different scenarios. For instance, this one. Now, I want to be clear that what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve for x. And this is 3 times x plus 1 equals 10. Now, it's all about inverses here. And we kind of work out from the x. So if I want to get x by itself, the first thing I need to do is get rid of this plus 1. Now, the easiest way to do that is to do the opposite of plus 1, which is minus 1. What you have to realize is if you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side. And when I say other side, I say other side of the equal sign right here. Now what's remaining is 3x equals 10 minus 1, which is 9. By the way, the reason this is just 3x again is because 1 minus 1 equals 0. I could write a plus 0 here, but it doesn't help me. Now, I'm trying to figure out what I can plug in with this x right here to make this work. Now, a lot of times people just see this, but if you don't, the answer is to get rid of the 3 using an opposite, and this is 3 times x. So the opposite of multiplying by x, or multiplying by 3, is dividing by 3. We're left with 3 divided by 3 is 1, but you don't have to write the 1, equals 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that's the answer that I'm looking for here. Okay? Now, another one to look at is when we have the variables on both sides. For instance, like this. Now, keys here, it works the exact same way. You do need to get your x's together. It's probably going to be the first step anyone would say. Now, I could minus 4x or minus 2x. I would minus the 2 because 4 minus 2x is going to be a positive number, whereas 2x minus 4x would not be a positive number still. So you're going to save some time or save some effort by getting rid of the smaller one, not necessarily the one on this side. Next, we got to get rid of the minus 2. The opposite of minusing 2 is plus 2. We're left with 2x equals 12. And now again, just one step of way. So the opposite of multiplying by 2 is going to be dividing by 2. X equals 6. Beautiful. So that's the keys and the basics to solving for a variable. Thank you for listening.